Welcome to Sunsmile Studio. Let's learn and play.
Hello there, little friends. Today, we are going to learn about numbers. Let's start with number 1. Just one bright shiny star in the sky. Look how it twinkles.
Now, let's move to number 2. Can you see 2 playful kittens? They're so cute together.
Next is number 3. Look at these lovely 3 balloons floating up high. They are so colorful.
Now, here comes number 4. 4. Can you spot 4 yummy apples on the tree? Moving on to number 5. 5. Here we have 5 friendly ducks swimming in the pond.
Now it's time for number 6. 6. Look at these 6 playful balls. So beautiful. Next is number 7. 7 cheerful butterflies dancing in the air. They are so lovely.
Now we arrive at number 8. Can you see 8 bright crayons in a box? Let's color the world.
Here comes number 9. Look at these 9 happy children playing together. So much fun.
Finally, we have number 10. 10. Can you count 10 shiny coins in a treasure chest? What a surprise. Great job, everyone. You did such an amazing job learning your numbers today. Keep practicing.
Thanks for shining with us today. Subscribe to keep the smiles growing. See you next time.